Hi Capricorn, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of August 2021 is going to be for you. And month of August 2021 is a month where you need to focus on your energies, you need to focus on your abilities, you need to focus on your own dreams, you need to focus on healing your own emotions, you need to focus on healing your own physical self, you need to be into your own passion, you need to figure out where is it that you're making yourself stuck, and you need to free yourself. This is the month where I feel that somewhere home or familiar or family related things or situations might become a little problematic for you, in the sense that you might just find realities of certain people, or there might be certain people who were attached to you only because of money, and that thing will become very, very prominent and clear this month. So that's something which you will need to heal, but then ultimately you have the power, you have the authority, you have the balance, and you have the ability to move forward in your life. And that forward movement, that taking charge of your life and moving forward, is the month that is for you. And you will have a lot of people around you who will help you, but core energy is that you have to focus on yourself, on your dreams, on your life, on you moving forward, because there are all the individual cards that I can see. The only cards which have more than one person is the devil and is the no card on the no space. Rest everyone has like an individual energy, and that is why it is very, very important for you to be into your power, to be into your energy. If we talk about your health, this month I feel health is going to be a concern for you, because off and on I see issues with your health, and specifically because last month probably there has been a lot of emotional up and downs, and those emotional up and downs have affected you in a big way, and maybe that's why there is a lot of burden that you've been carrying in your heart, which will start moving down into your physical body. Now if you take care of yourself, if you take rest, like for the first 4 days of the month or first week of the month, then you will be all there moving forward, taking charge of life, doing things that you want to. The health issue can be with regards to spine or with regards to foot or feet, but that's going to be if you don't take rest, and that's going to be if you keep putting yourself into this emotional trauma or emotional situation, because that's actually moving forward and getting inside your physical body. So you need to take rest, you need to meditate, you need to balance your energies. That's very, very important. Second, if you have any kind of addictions, whether that addiction is to negative thinking, to some people, some situations, or whether it is drinking, smoke, anything, any kind of addiction, this is the month where you have to move away from your addiction, because this is the month where addictions are not going to serve you. They are going to be very, very harmful for you. Also somewhere I feel that you have that thing to make yourself stuck. So devil energy is the energy of your own, it's your own card, it's your own sign, zodiac sign card. And if you see this person and this girl, they are actually they are holding on to each other basically. So they are actually not leaving each other, is why they are not able to move forward, and that's why they are under the control of devil. So you have that ability where you can actually let yourself heal, let yourself flow, let yourself move out of addictions in every situation. But you don't do that because you've actually conditioned yourself to that. So this month is again a chance for you to move out of that energy and do something for your life, do something better for your health, and take your health into the positive way. Another thing that I see on your cards is rather not on your cards, this is the sixth reading that I'm doing for the month, and this is like all halfway of the month, and I've been using different decks throughout all the readings, but in every deck I am seeing one card that is representing the fire. So fire energy is coming across very, very strongly on the cards. You also take care if you're dealing with fire in any way, even if it's normal cooking, just take a little more care. And I have a feel that if it comes across in all the cards, like all 12, then there is a feel like we've had COVID, because that was like airborne. We've had water related calamities or the issues that have happened, like nature, the water has made a lot of destructions, earthquakes, and now they are going to be, like in the month of August, I feel that there are going to be a lot of fire incidents all over the world, and that's probably why fire is kind of showing up in every reading this month, and it's coming out prominently. Otherwise it doesn't kind of come out prominently like that. So take care of that. if we talk about your wealth or money, this month you have 6 of Pentacle and you have 10 of Pentacle. Now because 10 of Pentacle is at no space, I would say this month, if possible, don't invest into the family business or invest into anybody else related to you. Now with the 6 of Pentacle, you will get whatever you deserve. So as much as you think you deserve, you are going to get that, but you have to be honest with yourself and with your feeling. Now the problem with the 6 and 10 of Pentacle and the money situation in your life is that one, you have your money attached, or the results attached to somebody else in your life. So you've attached it to either your spouse or your family or your parents or anybody. You've completely attached it because I'm doing it for them. When you attach it like that, if they don't deserve it, it doesn't flow into your life. So what I'm saying is not that you don't give them money. I'm saying that don't attach directly your money to them, and if it comes to you, definitely it will flow to them. So attach it to yourself and not to anybody else. That's going to be one. Now, second, you have the mindset where you don't believe that you can get more. Like you have the mindset that, okay, you know, this much is what comes to me, or you have a mindset where there are very strong thoughts about money, very strong negative or very strong thoughts about limitation. So that is something that you need to deal with this month, because like I said, as you will think about money, in the similar way the money will flow into your life. So if you think that money flows into my life, I always have more than enough, there is always a lot of flow of money into my life, you will see that flow happening. But if you attach it to somebody else, or if you think that you know, it doesn't come, it will not come. So that is upon you this month very, very strongly. If I talk about relationships, now this month, though I see like the prince and the princess, so prince of the swords, princess of the swords, I see queen of the wands and king of the cups. So relationships are there, but overall, because there is a devil energy that's there in your personality energy, I would say relationships are there, new relationships will come into your life, but you have to first sort your energy out, sort yourself out. Are you ready to get into new relationship? Are you ready to leave your past emotions? Are you ready to not get stuck into relationship? There is a possibility where you are stuck into the relationship, or you've actually kept the other person stuck into the relationship. So you're not neither leaving that person nor are you with that person, or you want to leave that person but you're not taking that step. So this month is the month where you have to sort your relationship in the way that you need to take the steps to take your power forward, to actually get to your power and get to your energy, and take steps for your own emotional well-being, take steps for your own power, take steps for your own ability, taking you forward. So new relationships can come into your life, but you will have to decide whether you want to move ahead with those relationships or whether you want to be in your individual energy. In old relationships, again, if you are holding on to somebody, please leave. This is the month that gives you that chance and move forward in your life. Another thing that's very strongly coming with regards to relationship is you are going to get to the reality of certain relationships this month. So this month you will find out the truth behind certain relationships in your life, and you need to accept that truth, because if you keep yourself still stuck there, because that's how society is, or that's how people would want you to do, then you're going to be stuck there forever. But this month has a chance where you stand your ground, where you take charge of your life, where you take charge of your emotions and say that enough, and I'm now focusing on my own well-being or my own wealth or my own life or my own progress. And when you do that, again, I'm saying that the benefit, whoever it has to go to, it will go, but your energies will change and your life will change, and you will have more control over your emotions, you will have more control over your thoughts. Another thing that I'm seeing this month is that there might be a thought or an action or situation with regards to a certain person that is putting you into that has put you into a difficulty, or that is putting you into a difficult situation, or that something that is where you create a dependency on somebody else. But you will have to ensure that you take care of yourself, because there is Queen of Wands here, right? And there is Four of Swords and Princess of Swords, and both of them are looking towards Queen of Wands. There is a very strong connection that this Queen of Wands has with you. Like this person has with you, and either it is because you are responsible for this person's health, like this person is responsible for your health issues or for the issues of your life, or this person is actually motivating you to kind of do more of motivation, meditations and balance your energies. Whichever way it is, you have to do what is best for you, and if you do what is best for you, there is happiness, there is success, everything will flow into your life. In terms of pregnancy, I would say overall the cards are not negative, but If you want to push it forward, you can. Otherwise, the cards are not very negative for pregnancy. The only thing is you need to take care of yourself, because you might not get the kind of support that you will need during pregnancy, and if you're prepared for that, then there is no problem, you can move forward with that. And if you're already pregnant, take care that you're not getting into negative zone or negative energy. If we talk about your career, from the career perspective, I feel that new opportunities will come your way, and there might be a situation where you felt that things are stuck, they are not moving. You need to take care of your health, very important, because the opportunities will come, but if you are into a good health, will you be able to kind of get to those opportunities and get the benefit out of it. And if you actually take care of yourself around the first 4 days of the week, of the month, then you will be into that active energy where you will be able to move towards success. So opportunities will definitely come to your way. Again, don't attach the results to somebody else. Don't invest more into the business or the family business. Partnerships are not going to be good for you, so don't get into partnerships this month. I don't feel that partnerships are going to have a lot of positive energy for you, though the partnerships will be around, people will be around, but don't get into the partnership, or don't get into any contract or agreement or a stuck energy. And if you are getting into a contract or agreement or a stuck energy, then ensure that you are reading everything carefully, and it is what you want it to be, because that's the energy that I feel on your cards. And then taking charge of your life or moving forward is there on your cards. This person, this Prince of Swords, is taking charge and moving forward. This person is standing the ground, and this person is actually already out there on the horse with roses in his cup. So definitely a new energy is there, and the growth or the benefits or the positivity is there. Opportunities are there, things are going to work out, and you're going to come out of your slumber, because there is a Hermit card, and if you see, there is this saint, and he has an hourglass in his hand, and there is a snake also here. So you've given enough time to people and situations in your life, and now is the time where you come out of your slumber and you start taking decisions for yourself, and you start thinking about yourself. That's big time needed now. If I talk about students, I would say this month, don't compare yourself with others. Don't think that if that person has done something, I need to do it. If that person has taken a course, I need to take that course. Be into your energy, be into your individual self, and don't compare yourself to anybody else. If I talk about soul growth, now that's something very important, because your energy card is Devil, and that has an energy, like you have an energy where you keep yourself stuck, like you, because of your emotions, because of your conditioning, because of your thoughts, you keep your own self stuck, and then you try to keep everybody around you also into that stuck energy, and then you blame it to the devil, to somebody else. But that's the energy that you have to come out of this month. So this is the month which actually gives you the complete opportunity to come out of this stuck energy, this devil energy, this energy where you keep make others responsible for you, or where you think that you cannot move from this situation, you cannot let go of this situation, you cannot let go of these limitations or problems. And then again, that has to very strongly do with people around you. So it has to be very strongly, it is very strongly connected with your conditioning and people around you. But you have to believe in yourself. You have to know that there are no limitations. If you make yourself unlimited, you will see unlimited changes coming this month. And this is a big time soul growth for you, because if you come out of this situation, you take charge of your life, you stand your ground, you will be able to go to very huge success, and that's there on your cards this month. If I talk about number of the month, number 9, and number 9 is something which is very important for you, because number 9 leads to number 10, which is completion, and the last card here was number 10. 10 is like, this cannot go beyond this, like there's nothing that can go wrong beyond this, and there's a new sun that is rising, and you are getting into your energy undoubtedly. The prince is kind of coming with his own vehicle now, coming out, and the eagle is driving it. What better? Okay, so chakra of the month, I would say all chakra, very essential for you. So please do all chakra meditation. It takes only 5 minutes or 6 minutes to do that. The link is there on the description box, and it's going to work out really well for you. It is really needed for you this month, so don't ignore that. And the color of the month, majorly yellow, blue, red is something that I see on your cards. Otherwise, all the colors are going to be good for you. This month, the message from angels, or the affirmation for you, the message from angels is power. It says, you are reminded that your essence is divine. So let no one diminish you. When you feel totally serene and at peace, you are powerful, for no one can upset or influence you. Your angel guidance is to find your still, quiet center. Then heal your anger, purify your emotions, rely on your own judgment, and take your own decisions. It serves your spiritual growth to take responsibility for your life. So stand on your own feet and be strong. True power is based on inner strength, self-worth, and confidence. Claim your power today. And again, I'm saying this month is about you. So know that this month is about you. The affirmation is, I am serene, powerful, and confident. So please follow that affirmation this month. The surrender message for you is, surrender your attachment to results. So this says the formula to success is to do all you can to make things happen, then let go of the results. Holding on too tightly to desired outcome can sabotage it. So do what you needed to do and take charge of your life, move forward, and don't think about the results. Now, the two messages from the spirit that I have for you, the first is the child's love, and it says that the bond between the parent and child is the strongest on earth, and because child kind of starts as our heart, right? And this card basically says that this is the month where you need to look at your inner child. There is a lot that has happened in your conditioning. There is a lot that has happened with people around you. There is a lot that was done to you as a child where it is not healed, like it has created a different world for you altogether. But you have the time to be the parent to your own inner child and change everything for you. You can nurture your inner child to a greater level, and if you do that, you will see everything around you changing for you. So this is the month of healing your inner child. There's a video already on my channel that can help you with that. If you can go to soul journey playlist and find it. The second card is embrace the moment. This says, embrace this day, this very moment, think positively today, and repel those negative thoughts. Try not to judge yourself or others. This may be harder than you think. What is actually happening is that you are changing your energy. So there is a big energy change that is happening for you, and that is why you don't have to judge others, but you have to be in your power. You have to embrace that, okay, this is how these people are, this is how these situations are. Great, this is giving me a chance to kind of move forward in my life, and I will. So that's how you have to take this. The angel message, the mermaid message for you is, ask for help, and she's kind of there to blow some kind of alarm to get the help, and you have that ability. The moment you ask for help, you will get more than enough help. So there will be people around you who are ready to help you. And asking for help, the card is, because you don't have to ask for help because in your inner circle you expect not to ask for help, but for them to help you already. So this is like the external circle. So if you need something, ask for help, and you will see the help flowing to you from all the sides. This month I didn't take out the wisdom card for you, so that's how I will take it out as the life card. And if you like the video, please share it with everyone. And if you want to know more than this, you can connect with me through the Facebook link that's in the description box, or through the comment section. You just have to write, I need my reading. I will share my number. We'll take it forward from there. And also if there are a lot of videos on my channel that can help you understand life, understand soul, understand tarots, and everything. Each and every aspect of my life, our life, is covered in some way or another in the videos. And when you find time, go to the proper playlist. You will find the videos. If you find something useful, please share it with others also and leave the feedback. So let's see what is the message for you guys. Okay. The message is happy, the fates. Wow. So I thought it's happy, but it's the fates. And this card says, whatever is happening in your life, it was meant to happen like this. Whatever is happening in your life, it was actually going to be like this. There was no energy, nothing that could have changed it for anything better. And that is why you need to embrace every situation, every moment in your life. And when you do that, you will actually see a lot of positive changes kind of coming into your life. And this says that there are things in our life that we can change, and there are things that we cannot change. And we have to find a difference between what we can change and what we cannot change. The moment we find that difference, everything changes for us. And that's what this energy is, that for things that you can change, you think that you cannot change them. And for the things that you actually cannot change, you push yourself to change them. And that's why your personality card or your individuality card is devil. But this month is a chance to actually accept the things as they are and change your future, take charge of your life, and move forward to prosperity and abundance. And that's the message, which is very, very beautiful for you guys. If you like the video, please press the like button and share the video with everyone that you can. And I will see you with the next video very, very soon. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much, and leave the feedback if you can. Thank you.